guys, welcome back to the Inspirational Shan Makeup channel. It's your girl Shan, and of course I am back with another video. It may not be a makeup tutorial. I think I'm just going to do a sit down video. In this sit down video I would like to share a few things a few things with you guys. Yes, what has been taking place. You guys know and aware that I have not been posting recently, and my last upload was a birthday video of me, and that was like about 3 weeks ago. Yes. So first I just want to say a big thank you to all my supporters, my day one supporters, to all the persons that have been there with me regarding my channel from day one. You know, I am finally at 4K. I'm finally at my 400 watch hours. I could not have done all of this without God. My baby father has been the man behind the camera and my motivation, which is Joshua. Yes, I'm really grateful for each and every one of you guys, as I said before. So I'll be trying to get this channel more monetized. Yes, that is a very tedious process. I am currently on that at the moment because I've met the threshold. I am over 1,000 subscribers and I am over 4,000 watch hours. That's that. Secondly, I would like to say a big happy birthday to my son yesterday. He is 2 years old. Yes, on this day, 2 years ago, a king was born. Yes. I don't think I'll be doing a lengthy video because I am not well, and that is why I have not been posting. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting. Thank you for my supporters. Thank you to God. Thank you to everyone. And even though I am not posting, please do not give up on me. Because the fact that I have life, that means I have the ability to carry on and to do something new each day. I am working also, so that is one of the reasons why I am unable to post as frequently as possible, and so on. So yeah, that's basically that. So stay tuned for our videos, guys. As suggested earlier in the video, I am not well, and I would like to do a tutorial tonight, but unfortunately that is the reason why I am not off to work. So if you are a co-worker of mine or we work at the same place and you see this video uploaded and you're saying why am I not at work, I am not well. I also, being that you guys are my family, if there's something happening in my life, I won't hesitate to share with you guys. I am currently working on a project. Yes, my husband and I is currently, my baby father and I rather, because girl not have on the ring as yet. We are currently building our home, not our dream home, yes, but we're currently building somewhere. We have videos and pictures of the structure, so very soon you guys will be seeing our house to home transformation. Yes, it's not really big, but it's good when you have something that you can call yours, and behave yourself, Josh. Something that you have and you can say, yes, this is mine. Because really and truly, guys, to rent a house is very expensive, right? It is very expensive to have a house that you are paying for monthly. You have to pay your rent, you have to pay your light bill, your water bill, grocery. If you have a child, children, you know, their expense to go to school, it is very costly. So, you know, if you are able to even put up a 1-bedroom, a bathroom, don't feel less of a person, don't feel bad about yourself. That is actually a very good move, and that is a very good move, and you should be commended. So yeah, so feel free to, you know, go ahead and to do just that. Don't listen to what people want to say, because people sometimes don't have a goal, they don't have ambition. Those kind of persons are the persons that always have the most to say. They always have the most to say about other persons. Person that don't have a life, don't have goal, don't have nothing living for. Them always say, so sometimes just go towards the goal. And if you are working on a project, it is advisable for you to not say it to certain people, because you know they have dream killers. They don't have the vision that you have. You know, they don't have the mindset and they don't have the ambition. So they will say things that can break you. They can say things that will prevent you, change your mind. So if you have a particular goal that you want to achieve, it's best to pray about it. You know, ask God for guidance, and you know, He will lead the way. So I'm saying all of this to say that I am currently, along with my baby father, we are putting up a structure, and we will be posting from day one, from before we start laying blocks. We will be posting videos of us, you know, doing the foundation, you know. So yeah, none of this could be possible without God. You know, none of this would be possible without God. So in the midst of everything, I'd like to pause to say thank you for health, thank you for the drive, thank you for motivation, thank you for strength, and thank you for never giving up on us when others have given up on us, when others have spoken bad about us, when others try to tear us apart. You have never given up on us, because you know that, you know, when father and mother forsake you, then God Himself will take you up and, you know, do the rest. So that is that. So you know, in the near future we will be doing pranks. As I said in some videos back, that I am going to change the name of the channel. I'm not sure about what I'm going to put, you know, the name as yet, but it is going to change eventually, because I'm going to do pranks, I'm going to do vlogs, I'm going to do challenges, I'm going to do mukbangs, and all of those things will be included in the channel. So it won't revolve only, stop it Josh, look there, it won't only be about makeup and about channel, it will be about my little family of 3. So yes, that will be exciting. You know, so when I'm going to do my shopping for, you know, furnitures and appliances, be sure that you guys will be receiving, I'm sure that you guys will be receiving videos and so on, yes, of me going and shopping for my bed, my, you know, my stove, my refrigerator, the list goes on and on. Yes. So until that time, guys, keep us in your prayers. Don't hesitate to comment in the comment section if you have an idea of videos that you like to see from me. If you have an idea of makeup tutorials that you would like to see from me, do not hesitate to comment down below. Right? We are a family. Nosy there, you cannot do that on camera. Tell them that you are 2 years old. Look, tell them that you are 2 years old. 2 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say 5. Say W. Say W. No. Say W. Yes, rude people. And so me have to put up with who want him. Who no come see him, no? COVID baby. Yes, so he's 2 years old. Keep your hands on your side. Alright, so he's 2 years old, and so I don't think I'm going to touch on fake friends in this video. No, we're not going to touch on anything negative. Right? Because I don't want to get in a whole other topic. Because honestly, I have don't do that. I have not sit down and structure what I'd like to say in this video. However, I'm just here talking out of the blue, so I'm just here talking. Hopefully you guys gather something from this video. Hopefully you guys gather something from this video. Until my next upload, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified when I, your girl Shan, upload another content on her channel without until my next upload. Please remember that God is love and to go for that which you want. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Ooh.